Using Brevo to send emails is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Go to Contacts and search for the contact to whom you want to send an email. Then click on your contact info in the contact column to access their details page. Now click on Compose an email. Fill in your email. Add one or several related contacts in the To field, or add them as CC or BCC. Then enter your email subject in the subject field. Now write the content of your email. You can apply formatting to your text, add links, use saved replies, and attach one or several files up to 10 MB to your email. After that, click on Send. Your email will be added to the contacts history. You can access the email and receive and send replies directly in Conversations, then Email.